Hi, I'm Craig Jabert. My company is called Marble Art Originals, and we specialize in marbling onto any natural fiber with our paints. These paints are non-toxic water-based paints, and they are loads of fun to play with. So here we have our marbling inks. They are water-based paints. They are non-toxic and child-friendly, and we're going to drop our colors onto the mixture floater liquid which we have in our sets. This liquid is non-toxic, and once mixed with water it lasts between 3 to 4 months if you refrigerate it. So on goes our inks onto the water. They will spread out in a certain fashion. The designs that we create are one-off unique prints on every occasion. These paints don't mix at all on the surface of the water, so as they drop onto the water they create their own space. So on this occasion we're going to basically be designing a flower or floral design by dropping the colors in the center of the tray. We're going to print this onto a piece of fabric. Now the tools we use is your basic toothpicks and a comb, and to create your floral design you want to draw the paint to the center of the tray. That's pretty much it. There you have a flower design. Now you can add to that flower design by doing all kinds of variations. There you have a unique one-off piece of artwork which you can captivate into a piece of fabric. On this occasion we're going to use some cotton, so as soon as it touches the surface of the fibers it stains the fabric, and when you pick it up it brings up all the paint into the fibers, and this is completely stained. So there's no running, bleeding or smudging with this paint, and that's what we can achieve on fabric. If you iron that fabric once, you can wash it